Okay.
So we go on dashboard. We go on, I saw dear members, which was the Women's Day. Madam Sarah, I saw her on TV. I could spot her from afar. Okay.
No, it's okay. I think she's dear members.
So you see, this first table here, remember I told you that you are going to do the naming later because we haven't maybe read the question in full. So let's define names, the mobile phones here. Let's define these mobile phones. Then also define their prices, okay? On the mobile phones, okay? So Samsung, define it as Samsung S20, the way it is there. Then on the price, that's why we'll be defining it as Samsung S20 price, Samsung S21 price, Samsung Note 20 price, Apple 12 price on the prices. Okay, so we start with the mobile phones, their names here, we define them. So go on formula. Go on formula, define name. You go and define, Samsung is there, you click OK. Automatically the name comes, you define, go OK. Go OK. Okay, we define like that. Okay, we go to the prices. Now here we need to type. Okay. So Samsung, we can just do Samsung price just without the S20. You can define the names there.
I mean, this is the two Samsung S20.
Samsung, Samsung, Samsung.
Check your spelling. Check your spelling, Cochino. That's Samsung. Oh, it's the way it's spelled the other side. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Samsung. That's what it was in the question. Eh? Underscore S20 underscore price. Price, okay? You do the same. Samsung S20, S21. S21 price, underscore price.
Cochino,
Yes,
I don't
madam.
know why I'm getting an error when I put underscore.
Are you putting an underscore or a minus?
I'm putting underscore. Because my actual Samsung doesn't have underscore. It's just Samsung S20.
You put an underscore in between S20.
After Samsung and after S20.
Between G and S.
Because I'm getting an though I'm getting an error.
An error, what is it saying?
S25. Okay, no, I've managed.
Samsung. Samsung Note. Note 20 underscore price. Are we managing to define, right? So Apple 12. Apple underscore 12 underscore okay. The last one on the is Apple 12, eh? Apple underscore 13
Mhm.
underscore price. Okay, we're done on the phones. We have defined these mobile phones alone. Then we've defined also the prices on their own. They are different names, right? We come on the
Mhm.
laptops to do the same. You go on formula, go on price, go on formula, go and define. Okay. Underscore price, HP underscore price underscore price. Okay. This is what we call absolute referencing, okay? HP underscore NV underscore price.
Cochino, you're saying what we're doing is the absolute referencing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So underscore price underscore price price. Okay. MacBook price, MacBook Pro price. Okay, so the prices have been defined. So now we define the laptops here. This one, the names will just be coming. So you just define the same name that comes. Okay. To prove that the name has been defined, you just check on top of A there on top, the name will appear. Or you can check under a name manager, you check the name also, you find the name that you have defined. We are done defining these things. Are we done defining now? Everyone has defined, right? Have we all done defining? We just
Yes, we
did
have.
defining on the dashboard. For those who just came later, why is my laptop behaving like this? Okay, so we just define this one, the names the way they are. You define the prices, you put price at the end. You define the names the way they appear. You come on the laptops, you do the same, define these ones, you put price at the end. The name will come, put the underscore price at the end. Then you'd have defined. So now we come, so for you to use if statement, your items have to be defined. When you're using a VLOOKUP, on the table is supposed to be defined, but when using if statement, meaning the prices and the products have to be defined. Okay. So we'll type now the if statement equals if you tab, then you click in the product here, if this product is equals to, you type equal sign, Samsung. So we start with on the table, what starts there? Samsung 20. On the table in the question, what's what on the phones? Let's start with the phones table. Okay, or we can go there and click in the table. The other way is you go now be tracking, you come here, equals this. Okay. Then comma, let's just go on the dashboard. When you do equal sign, then you go on the dashboard, you click on the Samsung, or you type Samsung 20 if you want. Okay, comma. What do you want? What answer do you want to get? Then comma, you click on the price here. Okay. Okay.
Oh, wait. Sorry, Samsung 20, comma.
Comma Samsung S20 price. Okay, you can just click in the first price for Samsung if you want. Then comma, if you
Okay.
start again.
Comma, you don't close the bracket?
No. We'll close at the end.
Okay.
Comma, you start, you put an if again. If we go to our if4.
Next one, Samsung 21.
You click on if4. Or you can type if4.
Where's E4?
if4 is on our data here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
If E4.
Okay, I'm coming. E4, so I'll be typing E4. E4 equals.
Okay.
E4, you put an equal sign. Because we don't want to be coming here. I want a shortcut. There's other long cut of doing it while we typing. But I want us to do the shortcut so that you don't be wasting time on this one. So if E4 equals to, okay, equals to what? We want to check if it is equals to S20, Samsung S21, comma, what is supposed to give you the price of S21, which is 18, okay? Then you put a comma if, okay, are we together? After the price, you put a comma again and if. Okay, those who are quiet, are we together?
E4.
Okay, so if you tab E4, E4 equals, we go to Samsung Note 20. If E4 equals Samsung Note 20, then comma, you put this price here. Okay. Then comma if E4 again, E4 equal sign. Okay, you click on Apple 12, then comma, you click on the price for Apple 12, comma, if Okay, I was just logging somewhere. So start if, comma, if you tab again. Okay, you tab. This time we are going to Apple 39. If
Apple 13 years.
if okay, if equal sign Apple 13, Apple 13. That's when people are coming, so Apple 13, then comma, this one, the price, Apple 13 price. Okay. Then when you reach there, comma, we start if again. We are going to go to my laptops now, eh? Comma, if oh, comma, if you tab, make sure you tab, right? If equal sign, you click on HP Spectre. Okay. Then comma, the price, eh? Comma, if you tab. Okay, are you following, ladies and gentlemen, or I'm alone? You are
You're following.
I'm following, but I think
We are
I have a
following.
problem.
Yeah.
I don't know, my colors are not changing like the way yours are changing.
You didn't define.
I did define.
Okay, just type let's see, but you're supposed to have colors.
Yes, but then if I tap the if, yes, I'm getting those colors, but like the Samsung, the price, and the what, mine are just black.
They're just black. Okay, let's continue typing. Let's see where the problem is at the end. Okay, comma,
Okay.
if we are starting another one, now we're going to HP. Now, so we start, comma, if you tab for a bracket. Whenever you tab, you're opening a bracket, okay? So if for again, equal sign, we are going to HP now, HP MV, then comma, the price of HP MV is 28,000, this one. Then comma, if you tab, if for equal sign, you go on a Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Then comma, the price, okay, comma the price, then comma again, if you tab, if for equals, we're going to what? Microsoft Surface Pro 7, eh? Comma, the price is 22, clicking the price. Okay. Comma, if you tab, what's happening here? I didn't tab. Okay, I didn't tab if. So if I tab, okay, Pro 7, we got Pro 7. Okay.
If E4,
If E4 equals to on what? Microsoft Surface Pro.
MacBook.
Now we're going to MacBook. Okay, equals MacBook.
Air.
Okay. Then comma. The price is 27. Comma. If we tab E4 equal sign MacBook Pro. Then comma. Okay, when we reach at the end here, we put comma 0. Comma 0. Then we put brackets until the last one is black. If you want, you can count the if, so that those will be the number of brackets. Or you can put the brackets until the last one is black. Okay. How many have managed up to here? The last bracket is black. We do enter. Okay, the prices have come. So what you do is you just drag the formula and the prices there will come. Everyone is okay? Nikosomola uko nikukana.
I'm thinking that our coach was a formula. This is the easiest way of doing an if statement. We've been suffering. Like this one is sinalile no lila.
Oh.
You say I'm a lila in my child. Sinalile.
Ati ni munyudo ni pesa kwa yanyu.
Ah. I'm telling you.
Anyone with a challenge?
So coach,
Yes, madam.
I'm the one who mentioned that mine were not giving out the colors.
Mm.
So I've managed, but the problem is I think I have the Samsung Note 20. It's giving me a 0. And which other one? Yeah, I think that's the only one that is giving me, but then the rest I have the price.
So you go on dashboard. Go on Samsung 20, meaning you haven't defined it. Just go and define it. The price will come.
Okay. All right. Okay.
You have defined it.
Define it then automatically to appear.
Yes, just go and check. Just go and check. You find the price is already there.
Okay, let me try.
So because there are prices, we can put the separators. Can you put the
commas.
The commas, yes.
Or is it the separators?
Yeah, the commas. The same. Let us call them separators. Okay. Silence means you don't have challenges. Eh?
we'll be quick to stop you. You know, this is an assignment. So
So on the quantities, since now there was a correction that those are quantities, the one where the icon sets. So we can also have a column for
So,
quantities.
just a minute before you move on. I think I have a bit of a challenge. I was
Yes,
trying
ma'am.
to see if I could find where I went wrong.
Mm.
I just have a hashtag value. I'm not getting the actual value.
Yeah, have you defined the prices and the prices on the dashboard? Did you define them?
Yes, I did.
Did you define the 16? Or how did you put the K? Did you just type the K there? And the commas?
Yes, I just typed them.
So you don't have to type in Excel. Most of the things, you need to put them. The commas, they are here. The K is on the currency. Don't
Okay.
don't make that mistake even in the exam. Don't type a K. Don't type a comma. Otherwise, you can give up a simple question and say, "Not Schubert's question." It can't say. That's the error.
So
no.
I need to erase them, then put them accordingly.
So
Isn't it?
but don't tamper with the formula. Just go and do the dashboard. Don't delete the formula. The same
Okay, let me
formula
try
where the
that.
hashtag values. Just go on the dashboard, write the figures nicely. Since you have already defined, they won't they define them won't go. Write the numbers properly.
So
Put the commas.
okay, so like 16, how do I write it?
16,000.
Just
type the numbers, then go on this comma here, highlight them, just go on this number, on this
okay.
Comma style here.
Okay.
Then on the K, you can leave the K if you have a problem. Then you can ask me how to put the K, I'll tell you. So
how do I get the K?
First, type the numbers. When you reach at that stage, that's when I will tell you. Because if I tell you, you forget. It's like a process.
Okay, because so I've typed in the 16, but I have a $sign. So it's okay, I can type in the 18 as well.
Just type everything. They will change when we remove the $sign.
Okay.
Cochino, go to data. Let's see. I know we have under a minute before we have to log in.
We need to log in.
Go to data. Go to data, Cochino. So in terms of, okay, for the commas, we use the same ordinary commas that we do, separate as you said.
Yes, just those ones on top there.
Okay.
Just highlight everything, then you go here.
Okay, I've done the intro.
Okay, so I think I'm done. You can show me how to do the cases.